Art Deco Makeup Table. This is a restoration video. Hey, this is just a 4-minute video to show you real quick. Oh, look how pretty that come out. Just to show you some of the basic steps you can go through and restore these old pieces. We love it when these things come into the shop. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hey, this is Harold Osmer, West Hills Wood. And this old mahogany makeup table came to us. It belonged to grandmother, and the little girl loved it. And then she became a woman and spotted this in the garage and said, "What are we doing with that? We can't throw it out. We got to save it." And somebody had tried to save it. So anyways, the first thing you got to do with this is look it over, make sure there's no broken parts, there's no severe water damage, any kind of bad veneer cracks you're going to have to repair and deal with. So, sometimes they're just not worth saving either. Emotional value is great, but sometimes it's just done. Have you ever noticed you don't see any old Roman coffee tables laying around? Yeah, that's because the wood gives up after a while. Oh, this thing didn't roll very well. It's got these wooden casters on it. And couldn't figure out why it wouldn't roll. And nobody else figured it out until I laid it on its side. And then, look at this. That thing, it's been like that from the factory. Which, who knows? Just because it's old doesn't mean it was super high quality. So we're able to fix that, of course. That's what we do. So we pull all the hardware off and the doors off. And here we are cleaning up the hardware. The handles are kind of a Bakelite sort of thing, which is really a hard plastic. And the standoffs there are got that brass copper sort of look to them. We were able to clean that up, a little bit of metal cleaner. And when you do this, you do all of them. Now, I'm not showing you anything with me hands-on here because it's all just hands-on, and I don't have time to set up the damn camera. I just took some pictures to show you the steps here. Make sure you do the inside of the doors too. Inside, outside, underside, everything. Everything gets attention. And not everything gets oiled, but we did the oil the outside. Very light sanding is what this required. And look at the results. Oh my goodness. This is why we like Art Deco furniture. Just the styling really appeals to us. And the woman who owns this remembers sitting at it and playing at it when she was a little girl. So the emotional value is certainly there for her. And she wanted it. And said, okay, we can deal with this. And it was well worth saving. These old pieces kind of talk to me in the wood shop. They respond really well. You hit them with some good oil, and you come back a day later and you hit them with some more oil, and you just rub them down, and it's all hands-on, and it's wonderful. Get so much positive feedback from these sorts of things. And the styling. Little coves here, the veneer there, the angular corners, the whole bit. We just love this sort of thing. So, there you go. Nice short video to show you what can happen with that old piece of furniture that's been sitting in the garage for a while. And there it is. Look at that. Yeah, we like this kind of thing. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so it is Harold Osmer, West Hills Wood, or West Hills Chippy, as they would say in Australia. Be sure to like, subscribe, send beer.